As a cloudy solution is formed, a method using a cross on a piece of paper can be used to measure the rate of reaction. Explain how the student could use this method to investigate the effect of increasing the concentration of hydrochloric acid on the rate of the reaction for 6 marks. So any 6 of the following will be accepted. We will be assessing the quality of your written communication throughout, and therefore answers must follow a clear and logical order to achieve above 3 marks. You need to make sure that you're joining your points and that what you're writing makes sense. They're not just random sort of points that you're hoping are going to get you marks that you just sort of scatter throughout your paragraph or just list like bullet points. They need to flow into each other and make sense. To achieve above 4 marks, steps must include explanation or justification and not just the point itself. Right, so we allow a maximum of 1 mark for safety precautions and a maximum of 1 mark for validity precautions. Okay, and any of these 6 will be fine. Use a measuring cylinder to measure the thiosulfate into the conical flask. Draw the black cross on the paper. Put the flask on top. Measure the volume of HCl, then add your water. You add your HCl to the conical flask. At the same time, you start the timer, swirl gently. Look down to the top of the flask, and when you can no longer see the black cross, you stop your timer. And it's important to repeat this 3 times for each concentration so that you can form an average, and then you calculate the average for the time taken for each of the different concentrations.